kwasia odwan we me be supporting no kwasia me be supporting no na nyansa bi anim se kwasia we beba beka se Afare hospital no. Yes, I love what they are doing to him, that man. Me pepa. Nya idea no. Me pankasa. Kwasia we. When John Ebusia ho. Say MPP na ye ni wi ase. Abuwe bodomi. Enyo no no say MPP for they were right. One ti so see delegate no mo kasa ni nyansa wom. Aden na kwasia yo kasa that man. Wunim say we on so bi.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusafo Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusafo honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan ni baby mama na ode enkrawe ema eye NPP impelefo titiri pa ene JFK o kire se eye JFK entimi enji honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan enfi party ni wani mani ya na cheso yokohwide pa oyokohwini dabrabani sanseni enyame na meka honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan ni baby mama na o Canada nti na mora ede ensemo yi abeto dwabusuafo yi na e wa ha. And the last week, everything this week, the honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan, NPP for our na ya sem kitu afra. Na ni na say odi ni birthday, and okoto eye nyama koche hospitals. Na ode enyama ne koy no mo ye interview, ebisa ni say Ashanti region omo asore e kasa bebre say Afare hospital eye St. John Dramani Mahama incomplete. No ntimi mfa nurses na onfa beds nkogum. Na nurses ntimi nya adwuma ya na unemployment enso nte ana say hospitals cry nya ina for Ashanti region no
Ni obi kasa o say wo kasa woni ma honhom agina ho omo afa no me ka kire no say we eye 666 so ni miya ma na onka na ntu na kwasia mpeni wa be kasa eye medo
2016 abra his
MPP fu agi omo ho this is salvation kwasia we mu asem a waka no Justin Kwadwemu anwo so amfa na nkwa disciplinary committee anko yi na dia moya mua edie nkwasi asem biom na mpesa kwasia we okafa mu ho ansa mahu se bua na ombu mu edie biom na mpesa onka
ebusia Kennedy Akompre ko o monte ati
Kennedy Japan Jimmy Fosa hwe
Every political party here on the soul. I don't have a problem. What you say? And you say a committee. Now strategize. But first of all, let me condemn these MPP. Only a bogus MPP.
That's him, man. Brofuna want it, and I na want it. First of all, let me condemn MPP. MPP nipa ba akudin eye kuo. Timi pa cho. So wuni asem bia kan. Don't fucking come and annoy me. You can stay off. It will be fine. Because kwasia we ye pesa onfa ne nokre no nkwate nokre party no fan ya bro abua we kwasia mpeni we oda suti hotel them fax machines you as order com center kwasia mpeni we as order com center Jimmy fuo we as order com center ontumi ntina fie mu na wa fankrofo omo be selling land omo be your friend is saying landscaping kwasia we ntumi ntina house na nkrofo akọ no mo aka say big osroe oni Christine kwatena house wa bra Stella wo ho oni Christine kwatena house bim Jimmy fu benin kwasia mpeni we wo say we ndidi MPP fo nyina atem. You are his problem. But thank God, so ya kwasia ma otie mu na wa ye ne ho. We free mu ye be make sure. Says this is the last of him. Abuwa ade odi aye ne ba. Edna edin obobo you know otumi shamefully bo adwo asafo din enso adwo asafo ni papa na ehwe nyinsan ni nyina hwe nkwala no ke no ntua 1000 oni busy muna mo pe o muna mo pe kwasi ampeni we me se mo manya mo Sunday we I was say MPP fo nyina kwa sorry mo kwa Thanksgiving say me be ka kire kwasi ya we say afi we nko ade ma ondi ni birthday ma o make sure say on cash because asem bi obebie na no beka biara it will go against him nyami ye papa nyami yo MPP for nyami dromo kwasi away send your no ade nsam achichiri ni hui disams abua we anti mwankasa muni eni a mubehu me manka nkyere mo se Ken obedi mudwuma me si obedi mudwuma me all of you who thought he had done okay that him some wajine ni so that him what is me ka kire ni say sa 66 year obedi o make sure say on bie na no da because obie na no a asem obeka bia e de nkuku ahwiase beba that him Kennedy Japan we wie politics we wie na de was a munyina mombo mpaye ne se afefufro beto no mo tini America no awrafo bebe beku no enra okasa mo anti esumo ni minimum on okasa waye me say he's planning badly. MPP need to stand on their toes. Listen, sesi anu planning need your planning ba oni sikasa inti sesi awa say owa wa bono ade na onwuye o se mu twa ni tifi so let him fucking go. The base won't amount to nothing. Ni odia MPP the base ben akromfo no mudi nechi no akromfo no eni yenyankoyo tifro obi monfro obi ansa wo mu betie emu no mudi kanechi no they are biggest Ken 2028 by force. I am very happy you came without being called. And it's too baseless. And Ken 2028 by force. I have also seen your thank you. I've just ignored it. I was wishing he didn't do anything to them. That's him. I am in trunk kitty. I am in trunk kitty. Na ferry. Winnie my dear ferry. That's him at Inti aden. You used to. Oh, kwasia we. Wo kwasia no kan 2028 wo kwasia no. Ye nya bi wo baby a store bi anton bi. Kwasia abua bodom. Abua go and fuck your respect. Wona ne twe. Kan 2028 by force. Wona no kontria krasini jimifo wo kwa akoye adwuma akwaji 2 hours aka ho na wo dia abeye lala maken abua bisu apewasam that him I say he didn't do anything to them and then I wouldn't trust her that him kwasie yodam echi NDC man adwuma da NDC omo man adwuma bi ada inti obeye Kennedy Japan no na e free MPP okay muasem se obeda party ni mu na wedi ntro akeka kwasi asem wo wa ha na last week obeka say o support John Mahama se Ghana fo na ye suban nye na ye tutu bola gu abonten na me be support kwasi ai odwan we me be support no kwasi ai me be support no na nyansa bi anim sa kwasia we beba beka se Afare hospital no Yes, I love what they are doing to him, that man. Me pepa. Ni idea no. Me penkasa. Kwasia we. Wenja nebusia ho. Se MPP na ye ni wi ase abuwe bodomi. Enyo no ano se MPP for they were right. One ti so see delegate no mo kasa ni nyansa wom. Ade na kwasia yo kasa dachi ma. Wunim se we on so bia. Ad me se mo na mo mpe no kore. Oda so gina ha oka kire mo se we nye president enso odi 13 no dey san nua ho wa asendompim kwaye bretuo bi mu. Mom penokre. Yeah, I am doing too much. That's why the fuck I never called you. Richard Ofosu Abwe. Pasiam penny. Ade na dachi ma. Ade na enya mo de. Sabato akaba. Dachi ma ade na enya mo de. Nye ni awuhwehwe ni. Second be keka kwasi asem. Enye ni awuhwehwe ni. Second obeki keka kwasi asem ana. Ena wakeka kwasi asem no. Ade na mani nje ye. Mone ne nkwati party e. Sesi ade wetuma pay mu aka. Wetumi pay mu aka. Say MPP are useless. Me say Edien na Kennedy Japan. He is telling the truth. You don't like the truth. Kwasi ampeni we abuwe we. Ono na beka chen say ne sister ekoye despite war. Na ya no cry. Na ya no cry na. What is the fucking truth? That chen man I won't pen no cry. After hospital, ye jaye wo ho no 2016. Who say aboso? Mo ya ntro. Okay, he's telling the truth. Why don't you take your fucking truth vessel and go and create your own wealth? He's saying the truth. Wonderful. MPP for Ntronkwa no mudi. Yadanyamia say, take this motherfucker and go. Why did Coca insult him? Why did this Kwasia insult the whole MPP? Abuwe Ojenyo Odamechi. Kwasia mpeni Odamechi. Abuwe ya otumiwo na onshe. Which truth? Arabi, which truth? Me say that she lives in denial. If the fucking guy knows how to say the truth, MPP there will be an kanokre or abuwa we or kanokre no. Dear nyansa ne wom so tin crofwa omudin tro every time that hima. Moma nyansa mre ni amukanum. Moma nyansa mrem. Kwasia we say no a flag bearer. Obey you obi ediana. Enyo omo na oni omo bekasa. Collins me dasi. Enyo omo na oni omo be obekwa koye adwuma. Mo na oni mo be ba ye. Na den mo na muji kwasia yidi. Musa, mo kwati party inside tikro. Mo mani nyama ne mbro so aboa we si asendompem. Oh, he did not insult the whole MPP. Eye ferry. That him Matiasa make a chono. Eye ferry. Some person mun chre mu. Say ken kra. Enye MPP for nyina no didi omo atemu. Inti opeso kasa odidi omo mu bi atem. Inti party ni still opeso tino. Mo fa ne nko. Oye kwasia. Oye abua. Inti odidi ebi mu atem. Enti na koka so right so dinner tem no. Ye ditini yembie so. Ayatem didie. Nitini yembie so ana. Na nkutin na was a spina. Was out nitino ho. Wa manu kroba kwasia. Yembie nitisu kra no nimu nyansa. Yembie what is a koka kwe obi che? What he will baby? What he? He's saying the truth. So take the motherfucker and go and build your truth party. Why the fuck is he still there? What do I know? Dachi hima. Mumpe no kre. Intia. Mumpe no kre. Munyina na mumpe no kre no. Kwasi ampe niwe. Tie kwasi asemo okawa atie.
Let me step down. Oh. Me said mommy $500 million. Oh. Me said mommy $500 million. Let me step down. When you need to do approach me. Me say delegate any Ghana who do it. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he does it.
Kwasi ampeni we time o kasa kwasi asem we na Ghana ye gina IMF. Wonim eyi investigation na IMF omu beye wo ansa wetumi aka busy bone dachi him second one did MPP fo nyina atem me bebo ama no si abotre ma me bebo ama no na dachi him a kire me baby oyi MPP efuo oyi ebi mu fi mu kwasia we said enti me hwehwe me am show untumi ntina I can fuck off why pacho ene me ba so minim pasa me mfrɛ obi a you should have done that long ago.